Tim Jones from Bicknell Racing Products, one of our sponsors, joins us right now. We are here in the tent. The very first practice laps on Wednesday are taking place. Tim, what we're hearing and what probably you're hearing too is we're off to a good start. The track is smooth this year.
Yeah, so far it looks good. The track's pretty smooth. It seems like it's sealing over. There's a little bit of dust, but not too bad. So it's really right what we want, you know. Hopefully the track doesn't break up this weekend, but it's a good start. You know, we're going to have to start tightening the cars up a little bit as the week goes along. But so far, so good.
Okay, what particular areas should the drivers, because I'm sure there's a lot of sportsmen and other guys who are too maybe embarrassed to come over here that would like some information. Where do we tighten? What are we advising them to do?
Well, right now, you know, the cars that we've seen so far, they're just kind of off the baseline. You know, we kind of get everybody on our baseline, what we want. You know, a lot of the guys, their floors aren't quite square and level. So once we get in here, we get them some right frame heights, right percentages. You know, and as the week goes along, we'll probably start to tighten the cars up with a little bit more left rear weight, maybe a little bit of spring change or whatnot.
Okay, and I want to make sure we emphasize this. This service that you guys provide is free. Anybody with a Bicknell can come on over and get your advice.
Yeah, no, absolutely. We do this every year down here. It's kind of a thank you to our customers. Bring them in for free, go through the car, see what we find. You know, just an extra set of eyes on some of the cars. Some of the guys roll in, the cars are good to go. But it's just something we do to say thank you to our customers.
I remember a guy told me he had a round pencil and he'd been scaling on his floor and he dropped the pencil and it started rolling. And he was like, uh-oh, I got a big problem here. And he could never get rid of a push. Do you hear stories like that on occasion?
Yeah, a little bit. You know, we see it a lot. You know, we see a lot when guys are scaling their stuff. You know, it gets to a point where, you know, what we kind of recommend is if you got a garage floor or whatnot, you're not quite sure if it's square, you know, set the car up once, turn it around 180 degrees, bring it back in, and make sure the scale numbers are the same, frame heights are the same. It'll kind of get you more in the ballpark. But, you know,
that makes perfect
we have
sense.
everything here square and level, so we know when it leaves here the car is right. So then you can take it home and check it to your floor and kind of make adjustments as necessary.
Good advice, guys. So if you're not sure, that's good advice for Tim right there. I'll check in with you guys during the week, but so far we're off to a good start. I hope you guys do well, okay?
All right, thank you. Have fun.